Hey, Random Adventures, Tony here, 2.0. All right, so we're driving around looking for a place to stealth camp and came across this abandoned building. Now, I looked for no trespassing signs. I don't see any. So we're gonna go ahead and take a walk in here, see what this building is. And now it's been abandoned for quite some time. So we're gonna, well, at least it looks like it has been. Some of the roofs collapsed. So come on, let's go take a look. Well, looks like right inside the front door here, looks like all the drop ceiling's been ripped down. All of that lays on the floor here. Old desks and stuff. This was probably the front office. All the windows smashed out the whole way around. Some graffiti, well, a lot of graffiti. One thing you gotta watch out for when you're walking around places like this, looks like there used to be a wall of some sort. So there's boards with nails sticking up when you're walking around. So that's something you gotta be cautious of when you're walking and exploring places like this. Yeah, so most all of the stuff from the ceiling's down. So this is a metal ceiling, or it's got a metal roof on it, as you can see up there. But yeah, I've got to look down because there's nails sticking up through boards and stuff that are just pointing straight up in the air. So like I said, if you ever get out to a place that's abandoned, really watch your step because you can put a nail through your foot pretty quick. All right, so looks like there's more offices over here. There's a hallway. I might have to get my headlamp. Let me just see how dark it is. Yeah, I'm gonna get my headlamp. Come back for this. But let's check out this other side here. Yeah, so these were individual offices over here. Looks like doors, there's some chairs, but all the drywall's pretty much smashed off the walls. Still got light receptacles, light switch. All the switches are taken out of them. But yeah, every window gone. Yeah, it's an old couch. I don't know if someone was trying to live in here for a little bit. Yeah, it says corner office. Yeah. So block wall with some slats and drywall on top of that. But I'll look out this window. So there was windows up pretty high the whole way around each room. Nice landscape. But yeah, you can see the metal roof and the I-beams. And then, you know, that's all remnants of the drop ceiling, that white channel there. That's all drop ceiling, and the whole drop ceiling is laying on the ground. That and drywall. Yep. And looks like that used to be a carpet as well at one time. All right. I think it's time to get the headlamp. All right, so it looks like we're heading into the hallway here. Looks like there's a bathroom to the right. Got my headlamp here just so we can see a little bit. But yeah. Yeah, bathroom and ceiling, no light hanging in there at all. But we'll make our way down through the hall. It looks like, yeah, this is probably where a hot water heater sat. Oh, there's a boot. Some boots. That's weird. It's a men's bathroom. Yeah. Pretty rough looking. Looks like we come into a really big part of the warehouse. Now this section's got some roof on it and some roof is missing. So let's take a look. Oh, there's another room. Yeah. A lot of air duct. This probably was a furnace room, I'm thinking, because it looked like, yeah, there's electrical panels over there. Let me check the floor for nails as I'm walking. Yeah. So yeah, there's electrical panels. There's, looks like the old telephone system. So most likely a furnace was in this room. So this was your mechanical room. Yeah, because there's ducting there and ducting up there. Yeah, those two. That one right there is a part of ductwork. And it looks like some PVC run through there too. So, and wooden spools. I've seen a lot of those so far. So this is that big room. I don't think I need the light for out here. So yeah. See the part of the ceiling coming down. Oh, what is that? Wow. So there's a ton of cans. I don't know if they're like tuna fish cans or what, but it's pretty wild. That's a lot of cans. Yeah, I don't know what this warehouse was used for. Well, the sky's getting pretty ominous back through there. Yeah, it's getting pretty dark. We're supposed to have thunderstorms, so I don't know if I'm going to get rained on here or not. But there's another room back through there. I don't know what all these wooden things are. They're all stacked up in here. Pretty interesting. They're all wood. That's probably part of wire spools, I'm guessing. There's quite a few of them there. Huh. Yeah, gotta really watch where you're walking. There's a old metal door. Huh. Trying to watch some of the graffiti as well. Yeah, if I catch stuff or get stuff on here that's pretty offensive, I apologize. So it looks like another loading dock area where they bring stuff in. And this leads to outside. There's a fenced-in area leading outside. So we're on the side of the building here. Keep making our way back through here. Towards the back, we're gonna go this way. So we got a storage trailer here. Still backed up to the building, or an area of the building. A lot of wire. So there's looks like an incinerator over here as well. Huh. Yeah, interesting. So yeah, ton of wire. But over here is an incinerator. I don't know, maybe they... Well, this whole floor is covered in little snippets of cable. Like, you know, TV cable. Huh. I wonder if that's what that is. There's a big old tank back there. So a lot of this is rusted out. But yeah, that's coax cable. I think that's what it's called, coax. Yeah. Let's look here. Yeah, that's coax cable. So maybe when they ran cable TV, this was an area that they used for that, or they're bringing it all in and they're burning it and getting the wire out of it. I don't know. Maybe they were doing that at one time. But I see a big incinerator here. Geez, it's got several different areas. Huh. I'm guessing incinerator. I don't know. Let me walk up here. Yeah, interesting. All right, let's head on back into the building. We'll go on the back side here. Yeah, more wire. Oh man, more coax cable. Just tons of it. Huh. A lot of remotes. Lots and lots of remotes. And there's like more cable, remotes. There's a lot of these grinding wheels. In fact, over to the left here, let me get you over here. There's a whole pile of them. Grinding wheels, nothing but grinding wheels. So I don't know if this was scrap. See, look at all those remotes, man. That is one huge mess. Oh man. I think this room here, there's the other side where we went out. Yeah, we went out that door over there to go to the side of the building. See, yeah, this is the room that we already looked. We went out that door over there. So, but yeah. This one doesn't have much of a roof. let's go back out to the main, one of the main areas here. And now that we're back in the main area here, right straight ahead is, I would say that's probably some type of a lift system to get you up to the second floor. Now, I'm guessing, but it looks like it's got wheels on the I-beam for running up. But there's more of those big wooden discs. So we've got look out towards the back. But this room here to the left of us, let's take a look in there. Oh, yeah, it looks like this used to have a second story on it. And the floor gave way. And then once the floor gave way, it had concrete, looks like. This is all concrete here. Yeah. Yeah, so that was concrete and metal. So there was metal and then roof or flooring, and then concrete poured over top. And then they sat on those I-beams right there. They used to bridge across to make a floor, but they all gave way because up top is the main ceiling of the building, or main roof, with the I-beam going across there. All right, so we're not going to venture on in there. Don't need the roof to come down on us. All right, looks like another room over here. Nothing spectacular, but that's probably got that same poured roof on it, concrete roof or floor. Yeah, because it looks like there was a walkway to get from one side to the other. Yeah. So we're gonna walk back to the back here. Well, this is the back of the building. A lot of wood. Old rotting wood, tons of wire still. Man, that's a pile. Piece of metal up there swinging. Kind of makes it sound like somebody's back there. It's just blowing in the wind. It's part of the roof. That's now just hanging. Yeah, quick look around. Yeah, this is a mess up here. Looks like other people are dumping things up here. I'm guessing it looks like a little bit, especially over this way. But a lot of tires too. But look at all that wire on that spool. Jeez, and there's more wire spools down here. Yeah, another look at the back of the building here, but yeah, somebody's taking advantage of this pile and throwing some just garbage. But yeah, all that cable, man. Just spools and spools and spools of it. Yeah, it looks like some of them were burned at one time. Yeah, these are all those wooden pallets. But yeah, you can see how the roof is just all collapsed. So majority of the roof is gone. Some of it's still there. There's a side door. But yeah, just a mess. Alrighty. So hey, Tony Random Adventures 2.0. All right, so if you're wondering why I'm struggling with the right side of my body, it's because I had that stroke 98 days ago. But we're getting out and we're doing some adventures. I about rolled this ankle like 3 times walking around, and not that it was tricky to navigate. It's the heel just turned. So it's pretty sore right now. Yeah, but not too bad. All right. So we haven't done an abandoned building for a while. So, hey, I want to say thanks for coming along. That was pretty exciting. Like I said, I found it 2 days ago. When I pulled in, there was about 10 to 20 ATVs sitting up in here. So there was a lot of people here. So I turned around and headed back where I was going. Look for that stealth camping spot. And but there is no other buildings on this road. This is about a 5-mile stretch between towns. No other buildings. So this is very, very, very remote. All right, so hey, that's a wrap. And we'll catch you on the next random adventure. Thanks for coming along. Remember, it's one adventure at a time, and it's 2.0 out. All right, see ya.